Hi friends, welcome to my channel Falcon Geeks. In today's video, I'll discuss switch case in Java. The switch statement in Java is a control statement that allows you to choose one of many code blocks to execute. So a switch statement works with the byte, short, char, and int primitive data types. I'll show you with an example. I have already created the class and inside the with the main method. Okay, so I'll just create. I'll write the switch case. So int um, day is equal to, let's say I'll take 4. Okay, and then switch. Okay, so I've created a switch block inside the switch, so I'm passing the condition. Okay, now case 1. Okay, I'll print if it is 1, then it's Monday. Okay, if case is 2, then print as Tuesday. Okay, if it is case 3, then print. Then case 5, then case 6, then case 7. So also I'll create a default one. Okay, so here I have taken the int data type here. So int day is equal to 4. So it will check with the case here. So case 4, so it will match and then it will print Thursday. Okay, so I'll explain. Switch case often used as an alternative to multiple if else statements where you need to compare a variable against multiple values. So if you want to compare a variable with multiple values, so these are all the multiple values. Okay, the expression is evaluated once and its value is compared with each case. So this will be evaluated once and it will be verified with each cases. If a match is found, the corresponding block of the code is executed. For here, in our case it's day is equal to 4, so which will match with the case 4, and then it will execute that particular statement. The break statement is used to exit the switch block after a matching case is executed. Okay, so then I'll add break statement for every case type. Okay, preventing the execution of subsequent cases, so known as fall through. If we add this break statement, the default case, so whatever I have created, it's an optional and runs executed this only if no matching case is found, then only it will execute this default one. Okay, let me execute this. See, it has spent Thursday. For example, if I give it as 8, then the default case will execute. See, invalid day. So when to use switch case versus if case? So use switch case when you have a single variable that you need to compare against multiple constant variables. Then only you go for a switch. Use if else when you have a complex condition or need to evaluate different expressions. Then you go for if else. Okay. So here I'll also do one thing. I'll remove this break thing. Okay. And I'll say here condition is 2. Okay. I'll execute it. See, if we do not add break statement, so what it will do, it will execute all where the condition is matched and all the next statements it will execute. For example, if I give 7, see, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.